so welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to Vaishno Devi temple. It's an adventure trip. So I'll be showing you how we will be going. So we might take our horse ride or walk trekking, whatever is possible. So stay tuned for that, and we are waiting for our friends out here. So after we meet out there, then after that we'll be going towards the temple. So stay tuned for till then. This is the entrance which we are going to enter very soon. So we are waiting for our crew members. So after that I'll catch you in a bit. Way to Bhavan, where it is written the map. And here for the infant and kids you can get the wheelchair or whatever it said. So the plan for now is that I'll be going trekking with this lovely stick and all. It's going to be a very amazing journey with us. And there are lots of horses out here, and it's going to be really fun to travel, trekking and all. Horse में तो हम इसके इधर भी चढ़ रहे थे, but having this is going to be fun. There are lots of cafeteria for your juice, refreshments and all. So we are going here to have our rajma and rice to have it. Sorry for buffing it because I just climbed there. So we will be waiting here. So I'll catch you in a bit. I'm having rajma rice at 10:30 in the AM. Supposed to have some energies and all. This is the rajma rice. So after rajma rice, we'll again continue towards the temple. It's 4 kilometers away from here. So it's having fun, no tiredness, nothing. Energy is full on. So after having, I'll catch you guys. Again, after having some rajma rice and all, back to trekking. ये ट्रेक में मुझे बहुत मजा. I don't know why I'm enjoying, but it's fun to walk and all. It's fun. And with me, I have a friend. It's just opposite of me. Opposite side, not me, but side. So having so much of fun and all. So once we reach to the temple or we get some scene, then I'll catch you guys. Middle of the trek, we got to know that you get the electric car which will drop you just above the temple. So it will charge you around 350 to 360 rupees. Don't quote me on that. It was just inquired price. So it's a better choice. So we are continuing with the trek only because we are enjoying the trek. It doesn't feel like we are trekking because the routes are so smooth that it feels like we can go more than this. So I hope I'll catch you in a bit. I love about here. There is in particular places for refreshments and all. You get fruits, coffees, and lot of things here. So we had a coffee just now here. While declining and inclining, you can have many. There are many cafes within 500 meters while you incline and declines and all. So do check out and do visit Vaishno Devi temple. The decision of not going to Vaishno Devi temple because the rock was falling due to it, and the decision we are returning back home because of it was so much of line and it was not fixed that it will be fixed today or it will be next day. So we decided to come get down of the road from the place where we were stuck. So now we are going towards the hotel, and in the evening I will explore some part of the Katra. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you after some time. Hey guys, so we are going towards near the Katra bus stand, the Chowk. So it's quite similar to the Chaurasta of Darjeeling. I hope you'll relate with it something. I know. So I have visited Darjeeling 2-3 months back in the October. That is in the month of October. So it gives me little the vibes of Chaurasta. I'll show you. I'll not only say here. So next footage, I think you will enjoy it. Thank you guys. I'm going to show you the market of Katra here, just near the bus stand. Hope you'll enjoy it. You'll get good items like dry foods and all at a good price. We are going to have our dessert there out there, so till then I'll show you the some of the scene of that. Stay tuned for the next footage. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and comment down below your thoughts regarding this video. And I'm sorry that I didn't get to go to the Vaishno Devi temple due to the falling of stone in the Vaishno Devi temple. And do subscribe to my channel. Till then, I'll catch you in my next vlog. Till then, stay happy, spread happiness and do whatever makes you happy. And I'll thank you so much for watching. And then once again, sorry for not uploading, for not reaching to the Vaishno Devi temple. I hope you liked till here. Tomorrow is going to be a very interesting vlog, and you'll enjoy it. For you, it will be next Tuesday. Till then, stay tuned.